Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it. I want to show you this tool here called Ahrefs and look at a couple data points and then show you exactly what should be done on specifically one collection for you, which is very likely something that can be helped on all collections and all pages on your site. So that being said, first thing to look at on this tool is referring domains. And a referring domain, if you're unfamiliar, is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. Now, the reason I look at these and mention these is because Google does. And Google looks at referring domains as votes of confidence. So when a trusted site or when a site of any kind links to you, Google sees that. And you want to have trusted sites linking to you because then Google views your site as a trusted or more authoritative type website. As you get more sites linking to you, your DR or domain rating tends to increase as well. This is on a 0 to 100 scale and basically lets us know how strong or how competitive your site is, and also how difficult a keyword or phrase is likely to be to rank for. This chart here shows all keywords and phrases your site is ranking for in Google. You can see 5,482, and I have it sorted by search volume per month. So that being said, we could look at something like bassinet or crib, which have much more search volume, but they're relatively broad. And bassinet, you're actually ranking number 3, it looks like right here. But one of the big opportunities would be something like baby bouncer or some of these other key phrases here. There's tons of opportunity, as you can imagine. So if we look at baby bouncer, you can see 33,000 people search this every single month, and you're at number 19. So let's look at the search results, see who's ranking, what they're doing, and then we'll look at your page specifically to see what should be improved on your site. So if we look here, you can see here we have Baby Bjorn, Ergo Baby, Target, Walmart, Reddit, Amazon, NY Times. And then you're down here at number 19. So if we look at this column here for words, this is one of the primary factors and one of the missing things that many sites I see from a Shopify perspective are missing on the collections page specifically. And you can see here, they have over 1,000 words of content, 8,000 words for Ergo Baby, 1,400 for Target, 2,800, almost 2,900 for Walmart, and so on. And you have 535. And if we go to your page, actually, all of this content is just pulled in from the descriptions of these other products. And then maybe your footer content here as well. There's no information about the product category itself or the collection. And there's also no title on this. So I got to this page here because I understand that I went to the bouncers page. But if somebody else got here and was unsure exactly of what's going on, from Google's perspective, from an SEO perspective, there's no title on the page to explain that's what this is. So that would absolutely be something that I would highly recommend doing immediately. And this is, again, something I can help you out with. The other things to look at then would be links. So I mentioned to you links to your domain. Google also looks at this on a page-by-page basis. And you can see here for Baby Bjorn, for example, they have 76 other websites linking to them, to this page, this product page for baby bouncers. Ergo Baby has 69, Target 99, Walmart 70, and so on. And you have 0. So if we flip this around, the other way to look at this is there are no other websites on the internet voting to Google that you should rank for Baby Bouncer. And you then look at Baby Bjorn, they have 76. So huge gap there. And this is, again, another process we can help you out with over time. But the biggest things I would highly recommend focusing on would be making sure your page is optimized with title, description, content, internal linking, and making sure that it's easy for Google to understand what this page should rank for. Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here. And I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well. And that's it. Thanks.